And the Magic, Nixon Hall, more popularly known as Jamaica's Michael Jackson. Well, we now have the Jackson 3 with us. Joins us in studio to talk about how he brings the King of Pop back to life on stage. And that goes into mastering those iconic moves. When you think I joke, can I get a white shot when you say the Jackson 3? When you think it's joke with you?
Jermaine and Tito.
Thank you. See them there. See them there. Thank you. Morning. Nixon, what going on?
I'm here.
All is well?
Yeah.
Before you started Michael Jackson, were you just a dancer or is then you start dance?
No, used to go, my mom is a Christian, so I used to go to church and listen to the beat.
You dance in church?
Yeah, into the alley.
Dance, what kind of dancing?
Just moonwalk up and down and have the people, the pastor like, oh, in shadow is me because him taking all away the light, everybody looking at that looking guy. Who's that guy? You know,
Anyone taught you any of these moves?
No. I watch daily, morning.
So what kind of dancing you did? What, dancehall? What kind of
dancehall? I used to do dancehall. Like, you know, dancehall, popular dancehall, make our own move and, you know, reggae dance and stuff.
And when you, I know you never do that in church, so where you do those? Where you did that?
I did that at home.
You do it at home?
Yeah.
So when did you start doing the Michael Jackson impersonation?
Well, I do, it's been a long while, you know, I can't remember back that.
What?
Oh, Rock My World.
Right.
When Rock My World came out, I used to have this black and white TV with 2 stations.
Yeah?
Your station and the other station.
Which is why you're dressed in black and white.
Yeah, but your station mostly bring Michael Jackson a lot.
What was the first move you learned?
The first move I learned at the walk.
The walk? Very first one?
The walk, the Michael Jackson walk.
Show me.
Yeah.
Why not dancing that?
That's just a simple walk.
That's just a simple walk.
But
All right, so what's the second one you learned? Oh, you have to take off that? You just done the mic a while ago. It's all right. Clive, you need to come here. Because them not going to hear you, so I get a little bit closer and them can hear you. So you do this for what? You do this is what you do now or?
A living.
They do it for a living. So where do you dance? Where's Clive? All right, come in. We'll fix up because the batteries just fell out. This man is another dancer too. Colin is another dancer. We good again? Yeah, we're all right again. Yeah, so this is what you do. You do it what, on the North Coast? You go to parties? Where you do it?
I used to do it on the North Coast, but the type of dancer what I used to have give me problems. So
what do you mean I'm getting a problem?
Like we've been in the North Coast and booked we in the hotel. You know, we have dancers from places where I never really get like comfortable, know where them from, but we meet them in Spanish Town.
Yeah.
That is the time when Michael Jackson thing take off when him died. So I started to get a lot of show.
Okay, so even now people are still...
No and then, but I'm getting bookings like no.
So hold on, when you said no and then what?
Like, well, I say I get in bookings like when it come into the holiday season.
Okay.
Not through the holiday season, no bookings. So when I'm doing no dancing, I do my little chef work.
Oh, you're a chef?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're all right then. All right, bring in the other Jackson too now and make us see if you can show me 2 move.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me can do all of them things, but show me 2. By the way, what's your name, sir?
My name is Junior.
Junior? And what that, senior?
Steve.
Steve, Junior and Steve. All right, here are the Jackson 3. Run something.
You have it.
All right, say that loud.
You have it.
Man, say, you have it. It's me my talk about, you know. Folks, I have it. So now we have the Jackson 4 now. Eh? Where can you be found? Someone watching this morning wants you and your partners.
You can find me Facebook and TikTok, Instagram.
What's your handle? Michael Jackson?
Yeah, Jamaica Michael Jackson. Jamaica Michael Jackson.
Jamaica Michael Jackson. All right, we have 1 minute to go. Dance me out of this. Dance
Smooth criminal. Smooth criminal.